Alright, hello everyone. Nice to see you again in this new lesson. Today, we are going to learn about talk about ability. Yeah, talk about ability in this chapter two. Yeah, the title in this chapter two is "I Can Play the Guitar." Yeah. Okay, next. Tujuan pembelajaran kita pada saat ini yaitu diharapkan Anda mampu menerapkan fungsi sosial struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan dengan lisan terkait kemampuan dan kemauan. Ya, itu. Lanjut saja. Ya. Before we are going to learn about our new lesson today, I will share to you about summary of chapter 1. Ya. Catatan yang kita sudah pelajari di bab 1. There are five items we have learned in chapter 1. Number 1, when we meet an old friend, we may say, "Nice to see you again." Ya, ketika kita bertemu dengan teman lama, ya, yang kita sudah lama tidak bertemu, kita bisa mengatakan, "Nice to see you again." Ya, mohon diperhatikan ini ulasan kembali di materi bab 1. Kemudian cara meresponnya yaitu nice to see you too. Yang kedua, the second, when we want to get someone's attention, we may say, ya, ketika kita mau menginginkan perhatian seseorang, ya kita bisa mengatakan, excuse me, attention please, ya, and so on. Yang ketiga, when we want to check someone's understanding, ketika kita mau mengecek apakah seseorang itu sudah memahami atau belum, kita bisa mengatakan, is it clear? Do you understand? Sudah jelas? Apakah Anda sudah mengerti? Kemudian yang keempat, when we want to appreciate people's work, ketika Anda ingin mengapresiasi pekerjaan seseorang, itu Anda bisa mengatakan, that's great, excellent, it's beautiful, I like it. Cara meresponnya yaitu thank you, or thanks, thank you so much, thank you very much, and so on. Last, number 5, when we want to ask people's opinions about someone, ya, ketika kita ingin menyampaikan, meminta pendapat seseorang mengenai seseorang, nah gitu. Meminta pendapat mengenai seseorang. Anda bisa mengatakan, what do you think of our new teacher? What do you think about Miss Zella? What do you think of Randy? What do you think of our new classmate? And so on. I think she is friendly. I think she is friendly, kind. Jadi itulah summary of chapter 1, catatan yang kita sudah pelajari di bab 1. Oke, next. Nah, in chapter 2, we will learn about, the first, we will learn to talk about ability, ya. Talk about ability. Example, abilities, ya, kemampuan, abilities. Play violin, bermain biola. Ya. Play guitar, bisa bermain gitar. Sing, bisa menyanyi. Whistle, ya, bisa bersiul dan lain-lain, ya, and so on. Ya, itu hanya sedikit saja yang saya bisa paparkan di sini dan masih banyak sekali lagi, ya, mengenai kemampuan. Di dialog B yang ada di buku kalian ini, saya ingin memperdengarkan suaranya, kemudian Anda bisa mendengar dan ikuti tekanan-tekanan kata atau ucapan yang disampaikan di dalam dialog ini, dan bisa dipraktekkan di rumah masing-masing, ya. Oke.
Listen to the dialogue.
What a nice guitar, Binsa.
Thanks. It's my brother's.
Can you play it?
Yes, but just a little. My brother can play it well.
Do you play any other musical instrument?
I can play the piano. What about you? Can you play the piano?
I can't play the piano, but I can play the violin. Can you play the violin?
No, I can't.
Ya. Jadi itulah cara mengucapkan atau bagaimana cara mengucapkan kalimat-kalimat atau kata-kata yang ada di dalam sini. Ya. Dipraktekkan di rumah, ya. Diikuti cara-cara membacanya. Oke. Next, ya. Di sini saya siapkan tugasnya, yaitu jawab pertanyaan berdasarkan dialog B yang ada di atas. Ya, di sini ada 5 pertanyaan. Ya, jadi Anda mendengar dialog di atas, dengarkan baik-baik, dan bisa di-pause pada saat dinonton video ini. Ya. Kemudian Anda menjawab pertanyaan ini. Ya, ditulis, lalu seperti biasa ya dipoto dan dikirim. Oke. I think that's all our lesson today. Thank you and see you.
Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like